if you're someone who takes medication, vitamins, or supplement every day, this might be one of the most useful Mimi stamp designs that you didn't realize you needed. And it's actually one of those designs that I think can save you a surprisingly amount of time when you're planning. This is Mimi medication stamp. At first, you might look at it and think, okay, this is really cute, Mimi holding a little pill. But I actually designed this stamp to be more than just a decorative icon. It can be a very simple visual reminder in your planner. And if you're already using your planner every day, you don't have to create an entire new system just to keep track of another daily task. But here are some creative ways you can try out in your planner using our Mimi medication stamp. Now, if you take more than one medication or supplement, here's a little trick you can do with your Mimi stamp. Color code it. Give each medication or supplement its own color. For example, I am using yellow for vitamin D and purple for my general RX. Then, when you stamp your Mimi in your planner, color in the bottom using the color that matches what you need to take. Now, you can tell what that stamp is reminding you about without having to write it out every single time. But what if you take your medications at different times of the day? Try this. You can actually split Mimi into two. Use the left side for morning and right side for the evening. So instead of writing morning, evening, or even afternoon every single day, you already know which side represent which time. You can totally adjust the system to fit your own routine. But here's my favorite trick. What if you need to take two different things at the same time, and later you're sitting there thinking, wait, did I actually take them both? And this has happened to me so many times. Remember those colors we assigned earlier? Use them again. Let's say I took my general RX and vitamin D this morning. I can color one section purple for my RX and the other yellow for vitamin D. Now, with one tiny Mimi stamp, I can see what I took, when I took it, and whether I actually took them both. And you just don't have to rewrite the same thing every day. Just stamp, color, and you're done. And you don't have to follow my exact colors or setup. The whole point is to create a little visual system that makes sense to you and works with your routine. Okay, but what if you don't want to stamp Mimi every single day? You can try this instead. Turn one Mimi medication stamp into a weekly tracker. Start by drawing a simple lines, almost like a box around the stamp. At the top, write what you're tracking, like vitamin D, medication, or daily vitamin. Then add the days of the week down the side. Now, you have a tiny medication tracker that takes barely any space in your planner. As the week goes by, simply check off each day after you have taken. Monday, check. Tuesday, check. Wednesday, wait, did I actually take it? Then you just come back to your tracker and check it. And nice thing about this is you can put this anywhere in your planner or notebook. Add it to your monthly spread, weekly layout, daily pages, or even your note pages. The setup doesn't take too long to create. And best of all, it doesn't take that much planner space either. And you just have to stamp it once for the entire week. One tiny Mimi, 7 days of reminders, and you can customize it however you want. Use the check marks, color it in, or even bring it back that color coding system we talked about earlier. If you're someone who takes different medication or doses and want to keep track of how you feel, try this. Write a quick note in your tracker each day about anything you noticed that day. Maybe you felt more tired than usual, had a headache, or noticed your heart rate felt faster. It doesn't have to be a full journal entry. Just a few words can help you look back and spot patterns over time. And if you ever need to bring it up with your doctor, you have these notes to look back on. Plus, Mimi is so cute here. On to the next tracker. And this one is perfect if you want to track everything in a tiny space. Create a simple T-shaped tracker. List your medication and supplement down the left and the days across the top. Then check them off as you take them. And that's it. One tiny Mimi tracker, your whole routine in one little spot. The goal is just to make remembering your routine a little easier without adding more work to your planner. I also think this is a really cute way to make our boring, everyday responsibility feel a little more fun and enjoyable. And you know what? Sometimes we just have to have fun in this process. And I know taking medications or vitamins isn't exactly the most exciting thing on your to-do list, but adding this will really help you make it more enjoyable. And sometimes the smallest little planning tool can really save you time and help you remember something important. And I hope this little Mimi can help you too. And if you already created your own meaning for one of our Mimi stamps, tell me what you use it for. I love to hear the different ways everyone is using their stamps. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you next time. Bye, planner friends!